This column looks strong, but listen carefully. These gaps, this is called honeycombing. But how did this happen? Clue number 1, no proper vibration. Clue number 2, congested reinforcement blocking flow. Clue number 3, low workability mix. Keep the slump around 75 to 125 millimeters for structural work. Proper vibration is the hero here. Pour in layers, not all at once. Now the big question, what if honeycombing already happened? Step 1, remove all weak concrete. Step 2, clean the surface completely. Step 3, apply bonding agent. Step 4, fill with non-shrink grout or microconcrete. Step 5, proper curing is a must. How do engineers confirm quality? And how do they test the surface strength? With a rebound hammer. For deep checking, a core test is the ultimate standard. If ignored, strength drops, steel gets exposed, corrosion begins, and eventually, structural failure. But when done right, concrete becomes dense, strong, and durable. That's how engineers turn weak concrete into strong structures.